What's going on, family? So I am applying the sealing that you use to seal the bathroom drywall. Almost done. Won't hurt to put an extra couple good coats on this. Tell you what, I've been learning a lot doing this on my own. And also from people that you try to network with that say they know how to do something. And it's amazing how they say, oh, I can do this. And they want you to respect them, but they don't honor their word. You know, at least one thing I do, if I can't do it, I'll tell you I can't do it. I'm not going to deceive you or take your money or, you know, I ain't got nothing to prove, man, but to myself, you know. And the rest of it to me is a waste of time. You know, actions always speak louder than words, man. As long as you're willing to make your actions speak louder than words, you'll be all right. You know, the help you need, the people you need, and shout out to everyone, man, that's been supporting me. I appreciate it. My family, the calls, you know, everything. You know, everything counts. So, you know, I appreciate it, man. I'm humble. And I know things could have been a lot different, so I just count my blessings. And it's crazy how when you put this good light, because I had my other light on, and you put this one on, and this is just the ceiling, but it's white, and it's runny too. And it's a little runny too. But it works very, very well. It helps seal the paint and the drywall to the drywall, and it also prevents it. It was a little bit more. It also prevents it from, you know, having moisture for bathrooms and kitchen area. It's really just kind of made for that alone. So I had to use the best I could get. I know I'll be remodeling this again, but this is a good start, you know. You can always, one thing, once you do something one time, you'll always figure out different ways to do things better, and you'll see what you didn't do, and there's certain things you were, you know, pressed for time, so you're like, man, I got to do it like this right now, but if I had a little bit more time, I'd go a different route. So it's a couple things that I want to change, but it's looking good. I'm proud of my work, the progress I did. I've been getting it in. That's why I've been posting the different snips of different work that I'm doing, because my goal is to show the end result of how it's going to turn out, and hopefully it turns out pretty good. There's a couple things that could have been done better, but you know, it's good to me. I'm happy with it, and I learned a lot. Because you think you know certain things, but I learned a lot. I learned a lot from watching YouTube. Different people who have did situations with the bathroom, and dealing with paint peeling, dealing with, you know, older houses, new installations, best ways to do things, you know. But I can say this. Progress is being made, and I'm humble. So I'm just doing what I can, and you know, get my hog on. Living to be remembered, like the shirt say, live to be remembered, you know. So that's my thing. And yeah, today has been a pretty much productive day. I need to shut it down. I've been trying to get all I can get done right now before I take myself to this next stage, which is going back to Georgia. So before I do, I wanted to get as much as I could done now. So that was one of my plans. I love this extension too. Good extension. Very good extension. I like this. I always clean up behind myself every time I'm done before I go to the next stage. Hold on.